Hello DIYers, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 2 recipes using 1 pancake batter. And I know you're absolutely going to love it because we're going to be making plain pancakes and then a choco spread pancake as well. So first things first, you're going to add some vegetable oil or melted butter into a cup of warm milk, and you're just going to give that a good mix. Even if the milk is not warm, it's fine. Then you're going to break an egg into a bowl and sugar, you just beat it. Then you'd add the milk and vegetable oil mix into the egg, and you're going to give that a good mix, stir to combine. Then you're going to bring the flour. You're basically just measuring all of your dry ingredients, that's baking powder and some salt, and you're going to give that a good mix to combine. Then you're going to pour that over your egg and milk mix to combine and get your pancake batter. Now once you stir that, then we're going to start to fry the pancake in batches. Now this is where the trick is. You can use any choco spread, you can use Nutella, you can use the golden penny choco spread as well. Basically just any spread that you have. And then when you turn in the batter, you're just going to drizzle some of it over the top, but don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how. So this is the batter already, and you're going to use the quarter cup size of the measuring cup, and you're going to measure that and put it in a hot pan. Once you start to see those bubbles like I showed you, you're going to flip the pancake, and that's it guys. When both sides are golden brown, your pancake is ready. Now this is the first method. You just have your nice tasty pancakes. Now to the other method, where you'd have your Nutella spread over it. You're going to pour another cup of batter into the pan, and then when it starts to set, you're going to drizzle some of the choco spread all over the cake batter, you know, on top, like you can see me doing, in no particular order. And then when you see the bubbles again, then you flip. Look how beautiful your pancake looks. Now the taste was absolutely divine. It was delicious, and this is how it looks, both sides. And you now do the same thing for another cake batter. Drizzle your choco spread over it, and you flip it over, and that's it guys. And this recipe affords you the ability to have variety in one plate. This is perfect for 1 or 2 people. Just look at how delicious this pancake looks. I hope you try it out, and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, so that you'd be notified of all of our recipes when we share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next post. Bye.